automated plane, flown by a computer.
Turkish Airlines Flight TK1951 departs Istanbul at 8:25 on the morning of the 25th of February 2009 for its flight to Amsterdam. At 10:15, the aircraft enters Dutch airspace from the east and approaches Schiphol Airport. Due to a fault, the left-hand radio altimeter, one of two on board, indicates an incorrect height of -8 feet. This occurs whilst the aircraft is descending to flight level 40 and subsequently to 2,000 feet. The incorrect radio height causes a total of 5 audible warnings to be heard in the cockpit. The pilots have noticed these warnings. There are 3 pilots in the cockpit. The co-pilot, who is flying the aircraft, is seated to the right. He's receiving line training from the captain, also an instructor, in the left-hand seat. A first officer, acting as a safety pilot, is seated in the observer seat, located in the center behind them. The aircraft is now flying at 2,000 feet on a course of 265 degrees as assigned by air traffic control. Air traffic control issues a new heading of 210 degrees in order to intercept what is referred to as the localizer before landing on the runway 18 right. The issued heading results in an interception of the localizer 5.5 nautical miles before the runway threshold. A shorter lineup with respect to the normal procedure, which should line up the aircraft at a minimum of 8 nautical miles from the runway threshold and under the glide slope. The consequence is that